Yo guys, Terry Stone here. How's it going? Another video for y'all. It's been a little bit since I've released a video on this channel, of actual video, just me talking to y'all, talking to you, my viewer. But I had to had to move a little bit of different background because I don't have very good lighting. I'm on my cell phone right now. It's about 11:20 at night, and I decided I just wanted to throw this video together. So here it is. Just a little update is all this is. I know there's a lot of videos that I've been coming out with lately, and all of a sudden I stopped. I released a couple that aren't on the normal videos I release, like the Facebook Game Changer, things like that. I had some former obligations that I had promised some friends of mine. It's a wonderful tool. If you haven't seen that, click the little box that'll, I believe it pops up over here, or maybe over here. Go check that video out. Go check the tool out. It's absolutely worth it. But as I said, I'm doing a little bit of updating to my channel. I don't know if anybody's noticed yet or not, but I already updated my cover art. I took the old picture down of me sitting looking out at the lake and all that good stuff, changed it to a more professional look. I'm going to more professional channel. I'm still focusing on affiliate marketing because that's what I'm doing right now. I do have my affiliate plugs that I'll be making here and there, but the majority of the time I'm going to just try to be teaching you guys anything I can and everything I can affiliate marketing wise that I've learned and that I've known over these last 2 years. Other than that, guys, I'm just basically trying to make my channel a lot better for you, because at the end of the day, when all the dust settles, when everything clears, what really matters is my viewers. And I really want to make this a wonderful experience for you guys. I really want to make sure you guys learn what you want to learn what you need to learn, and you walk away feeling like I've given you a ton of value and expect nothing in return. That's just what I am, guys. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm also in the middle. I'm going to be up for about 2.5 more hours. I'm trying to learn editing. Not very good, strong set of mine, but someone told me that I need to start editing my videos, so kill out some dead space, things like that. I'm sure this video has a lot of it. You know what? That's going to be changing. I'm trying to, once again, make it better for y'all, make it better for the viewing pleasure of you guys. So, yeah, that's what's been going on. Alright, guys. I thank you so much for sticking around. I thank you so much for staying my subscribers. And I hope I see you guys in the next video. You guys have a wonderful rest of your night, day, whatever it is where you are. Take care.